Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So this rain looks like is the last rain of the season. So we thought of enjoying with this fireplace. And it's also a time to put these winter shoes as well as these snowshoes to go back to the storage as we won't need it for next 6 months at least. After moving to US, I learned the difference between the winter shoes and the snowshoes. The snowshoes does not let the snow seep through and you can enjoy snow much more. So it's a good idea to keep one pair of snowshoes as the adult size won't change very often and the rentals are much more expensive. And here I'm sharing with you the healthy breakfast or lunchbox ideas for the kids. The first one is an egg sandwich. You can make it in two ways. First one with spice level high, and the second one, the mild for the small kids.
Think about you every time. I remember that it's over. Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you.
I apologize, friends. I won't be able to share this recipe till the end as I was getting late for Meher's school that day.
In argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah, you would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah.
Does it need salt?
You never lose an
Should I put
argument.
salt?
So I've been trying hard
How
to
is it?
pretend that I'm okay.
It's just this? It's
And
not very
everything's
good?
going
It's
just
amazing!
great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop.
And friends, this is poha, the poha which we eat. This is with peanuts, salt, pepper, squeeze little lemon on top, and it certainly is a tasty and healthy snack for kids. And I had no idea that to make Indian cottage cheese, that is paneer, you can also use the vinegar, and it's okay if you don't have lemon at home. So it's a good tip which I recently learned. So this week I thought I'll just go outside and do some shopping rather than sitting at home and shopping at Amazon. So here I am at Macy's. So Macy's keep the brands like Michael Kors, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger and many more. And they also have shoes, cosmetics and perfume section with wide variety. So if you shop at Macy's most of the time, it's a good idea to get Macy's credit card or else Macy's shopping can be heavy on your pocket.
I can't stop, can't stop, can't stop.
Eh. You have to put it in the hole.
I know.
Take it.
But I'm going.
Oh, it can be here. Yeah, it's from here. Yeah. Good try. Good try, man. Yay, good job. Ah! Okay, can you do it for strawberry? How did you do it? Where is the code? Oh, you did it? Good job. Keep it safe, keep it safe. Come on, do it. How will you do it for this? That's a tricky thing. It's gonna wait.
Please touch
Okay.
accept wait to
Accept
continue.
weight. Say accept weight. Green one.
Move your
With this, I end my video, friends, and I try and share the meaningful things with you so that you probably learn something and get to know the life here in US better. And I love making these videos for you, so don't forget to like, comment and share so that I continue making these informative and interesting videos for you. See you in the next video, friends. Till then, goodbye.